Check this meal out. Scallops and shrimp with dinosaur. Ow, ow! My wrist like cramped up. Shrimp and scallops with dinosaur barbecue chili and some corn thrown in there. But it literally took. It's super easy. It took like 6 minutes. It takes like 6 minutes to cook. Uh, Super healthy. Love these little trays. And yeah, and some marinara sauce. That's how you lose 100 pounds. I know I've told you before, 100 pounds. I know I get tired of hearing me say 100 pounds too. I know I've said I've gotten fatter lately. Like this morning, I noticed I'm getting fatter. It's not because of my dinners. It's because of the Red Bull and all the chocolate and all the chocolate I've been pounding in the last month. But I can trim that up. And you know what? Seafood is a lot leaner than hamburgers. And I'm going to start eating more chicken. I used to eat tons and tons of chicken for the last month. Every night has been like hamburgers. I really need to switch it up. Oh, and I got a Gatorade in there. But I only have a little bit of Gatorade because that's got tons of sugar in it. All right.